I love my car. I think it's amazing. I think it's so good for so many reasons and in so many ways. This is my Chevy Bolt. This is a 2017. When I bought it used. The first thing people think when they see my car is they think that it's small, but it is not. It is huge. And not only is it really spacious for passengers and comfortable for passengers and the driver, but also the way Chevy put this car together. This is the premier model. It's the top of the line model. It's got all the great stuff. It's got heated seats in the back. It's got like all the safety features. They also did these other things, which are great for me because not only am I a rideshare driver, but I also deliver packages for Amazon. I deliver for Instacart. And so one of the things that they do, which I think is great, you can like put the seats down and you can create this whole storage area, which I do a lot with my car. All of a sudden you have this huge storage area where you can just like carry all kinds of stuff. The other nice thing, and this is only in the premier level, so I always recommend that people get the premier level, but there's a storage space here. I put cleaning supplies, I put extra items, I put bags, I put clothes, I put snacks, I put water, whatever I'm gonna use, I can put it back here and no one ever sees it. I'm always able to fit their luggage in here. I'm always able to fit the people in here and everybody's comfortable. And then in the front of my car, you can see that Chevy provides like all kinds of information so that you can kind of manage your vehicle. But you can see here that it shows me how much battery power I have. Another feature that my car has is it shows me in the middle panel all kinds of information about the car's energy usage. And then I can see, what's causing me to use more energy. One of the features that I really love about this car, if I flip my mirror, instead of looking out the rearview mirror, I'm looking out the camera, which is in the back of the car. So the packages do not impede my view. I can see out the back without actually being able to have my storage area clear. So it's pretty cool. It's amazing, it's fun to drive, it saves me a ton of money, and it makes me feel good about myself.